Grinding the weld by hand can waste time and still miss the tight spots. A big wheel can chew away metal fast, but precision often gets lost. In a tight corner, the problem gets worse and the tool feels too bulky. That frustration is exactly why precision tools change the job completely. Then a carbide burr offers a sharper, cleaner way to cut. It slips into corners, clears the weld, and keeps the work controlled. With the right burr, the welder finishes faster and with far less effort. A lineup of burrs shows the range of shapes built for different jobs. In the end, clean detail turns a rough weld into finished work.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.